Hi everyone,
Hello.
welcome to our channel Bautista Moving. Here we are. I'm here with my two kids here helping me out do a job for a loyal customer coming from a 2-bedroom condominium here in downtown going to Scarborough. So we'll talk to you later. We'll keep you tuned, okay? I just want to get a little bit of footage here with what you have. That's what I like about this guy. He's always prepared, you know. It's a nice place you got.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. So as like I said, we're gonna start from there and then work ourselves out this way.
You feel
Yeah, sure. Okay, let's start. Okay,
Alright.
let's do this. Box. That's all right.
Did you find anyone for your condo yet?
Ate Cora.
Everyone's living there?
She already moved in yesterday. Well, not really moved in, but she brought some stuff.
I see. Is she gonna rent it?
Yeah, she's gonna rent it.
For how long?
I don't know yet. She said Heron Terrace, right?
Oh, I see. Yeah.
That's how much we have so far.
No, not a BOGO. It's just like a.
19 floor mix.
It's just a regular Supreme hoodie, not the.
Yeah, we have a situation here from we just finished everything from upstairs, but we have to get something from the storage, which is in the garage. Let's leave everything here for now. I want to carry it. Push, push. That's your leg workout mix. So what's the side there? Okay, we are just about to finish. Actually, we are finished. All we have to do now is secure everything upstairs. It's already secured, but I want to secure it more just to make sure that everything is good. Our customer already left to do something, so he left us here and I finished everything up for him. Okay, that's the last box.
Yeah.
I think we're good. Oh, nice. All right, done. Okay. Okay, close the door, knock. Migs, go upstairs now.
Upstairs?
I mean up on the truck. Close it.
Thank you.
Hold it. Migs, put it down. Press it down.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Bye. We are done. 6 hours. What time did we start? 9 o'clock?
8:30.
8:30?
Easy peasy.
No, that was 8:30. I think of 8:30.
Maybe 9
Maybe
o'clock.
9:30. Yeah, 9:15 to 3:15. So 6 hours. Everything
Yes,
went
sir.
well. It was heavy.
A little bit. It's okay. It was alright.
Okay, until next time.
Bye.
Keep on watching. Subscribe.